Hi, my name's Rob Scott from UC Today News. Hope you're doing well. So today I'm joined by Ram Menghani, who's the president at NEC Enterprise Communication Technologies. And we're going to be talking about NEC's role in helping its partners and customers migrate to the cloud at their own pace and with maximum flexibility. Welcome, Ram.
Rob, thank you so much. I'm very excited and glad to participate today and share some of my thoughts with the audience here. Thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for joining me, Ram. And just just a quick intro, I think would be great to start with. Tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do at your division of NEC, please.
Great, Rob. My name is Ram Menghani. As you said, I am running a business unit here in the United States, especially, but it's a global business unit for NEC. I've been in communication for almost 30 plus years and have seen the whole change coming from typical traditional TDM to IP and into the cloud. So I will be sharing my thought process, what we are seeing in the market, and how I can help guide you as we move forward in this digital transformation age.
Fantastic. Thanks for that, Ram. And just to kick things off then, I mean, I was reading your report recently, or it was an MZA report that you'd shared with me, and it said, that there was an increase of 15% more cloud UC adoption between the 2022 and 2025, and that was totaling 60% of all UK companies would be cloud-based by then. So I found it quite interesting, but it seems somewhat low. So just thinking, why aren't we moving to the cloud as fast as I could imagine? So, what challenges are organizations facing in 2022 when moving to a cloud-based solution?
Excellent question, Rob. Just to give you a little background, what we have seen in this business, the market is disruptively changing. It started moving into the cloud as early as 2011, 2012. But what we saw with the pandemic, and especially due to the semiconductor situation that has happened in the last 2 years, we are seeing exponential move into the cloud. However, that brings a challenge by itself. The decision makers in each company, whether it's a small company or big company, have few serious challenges on how to move into the cloud. First of all, most of the companies have infrastructure. They do not need everybody to move into the cloud right away. So they're looking for the providers who can help them move into the cloud, provide them the new technology, or basically transform them into new digital space, while maintaining the current infrastructure, which is good enough for them to continue some of the operation they continue to move forward into the cloud into the future. At the same time, what we see is the total cost of ownership. So there is some confusion about the total cost of ownership. Buying a system at the CapEx value sometimes feels like that you are buying it and you can hold on to it for a long time. But then there are other expenses that you have, like, for example, trunking, you're paying on the monthly basis. So the corporations have to look at the whole picture of TCO, the ease of move, the flexibility, digital transformation, modernization, all that stuff. So those are some of the challenges that we see, and we are helping our partners and end customers to fight through that and help them to move into the cloud at their own pace.
Thanks, Ram. So if cloud is the ultimate destination, what stepping stones are most common amongst your customers, and how is NEC addressing these challenges with its latest portfolio?
Rob, thank you. NEC has been in communication business on global basis for 50 plus years. We do offer a wide variety of communication portfolio on-prem, hybrid, and cloud for both SMB and enterprise businesses. The portfolio that we offer today on-prem, which is SL 2100 and SV 9000 series, is very successful product, sold on global basis, providing us a great market share, being global number one in SMB and number three position in the whole market share. With that, it provides us a huge loyal customer base and the partner base. So as things are moving into the cloud, we have launched and complemented our portfolio with what we call UNIVERGE Blue. In UNIVERGE Blue, we provide several options. We call it crazy simple. What that means is typically in the cloud, you're looking at having the voice, the mobility, the collaboration, the team, the chats, the file storage. A lot of times, customers have to probably sign up with different providers for each of those services. In our case, we do provide all of those integrated into one solution. So Universe Blue Connect will provide you the voice, the collaboration, the meet, and then the file share and those type of features. We also provide what we call Universe Blue Engage. It's the contact center. There are different flavors in that. We do have casual contact center or maybe more sophisticated contact center that are needed in omni-channel type of requirements for integrating many different things. So our clients are on the voice and the contact center are fully integrated so that it provides any person can be an agent or a normal caller. So from that viewpoint, NEC has a full portfolio of product from on-premise to hybrid to the cloud, where you can take advantage of that and have the luxury of having great financial background with NEC and the longevity which we provide today.
That's great. So a full portfolio able to offer a solution for all, I suppose, environment types and occasions.
That's correct, Rob. So that's the advantage NEC brings in, whether you're working with traditional players or a new cloud player. Sometimes you are lacking the capability to have that flexibility. So NEC does provide you what we call dynamic delivery and the flexibility at your own pace to move into the cloud or use what you have. So again, that's a huge advantage.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, because there's not so many vendors around nowadays that can offer so many deployment types and options. With the on-prem, it always feels like a lot of the time it's right. You've got to go to the cloud and that's it. But that's a real differentiator for NEC. So thanks for explaining that. More recently, we've seen a lot around your new UCaaS UNIVERGE product, but I've also picked up on UNIVERGE Connect Bridge, and I was keen to just kind of explore that a little bit and understand kind of exactly what value that's providing your partners and customers ultimately.
Rob, Bridge is an excellent strategy that NEC has come up with. It's a very unique product that NEC provides. All the challenges that I talked about that the end user have and the partners have solves that. So basically, Bridge is the connection or a bridge from on-prem to the cloud. So NEC has introduced a bridge product that the end user can decide to maybe just go with the bridge. In that case, they will continue to maintain their on-prem system and help them into using some of the functionality, maybe mobility or collaboration or file share from the cloud. So this helps the customer migrate at their own pace into the cloud. And it also helps the partners to go after the current customers and help them to move into the cloud. So it's a win-win situation for the partners and also for the end user. The other advantage Bridge provides is in majority of the countries in Europe, for example, UK, what we see is customers have some kind of contract with the carriers, or the carrier services are less expensive. So for them, they want to bring their own trunks. So Bridge also provides the capability to bring your own trunks, maintain the existing hardware, whether it's NEC or non-NEC, and then add the features as you move forward. The final advantage will be, let's say 3-4 years down the road, when you're ready to move into the full cloud, the back office infrastructure is good, the bandwidth is good, and you are more comfortable and reliability wise. You feel that the cloud is good. It helps you in your TCO. Uh, you can move into the cloud right off the bat without changing your user interface because you're using all the tools in the hybrid bridge mode. So those are a few other advantages that NEC provides.
That's interesting. It really feels like we are in that hybrid, UC world right now, and those MZA stats just really tell a story, don't they? In terms of kind of 60% of PBXs being cloud based by what was it, 2025. So there's still so many systems out there that are cloud on-premise based and need that kind of pathway to the cloud. So really interesting speaking to you today. In terms of finding out more about your latest technologies and NEC, what's the best way for customers or partners to get in touch?
Rob, thank you so much. This was really exciting. Definitely, there's a lot more information in this short duration. We can't cover so many different benefits, so many different ideas that you can get and services. So definitely, our customers and partners can go to NEC website, UNIVERGE Blue website. There's tons and tons of information that will be huge help. And of course, we are here to help our customers and partners who have been very loyal to us for a long time.
That's great. Well, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for today. However, if you're interested in finding out more, there are some links in the description. So do jump on there. Thanks, Ram. Great to see you, and thanks for talking to me today.
Rob, this has been a great pleasure. I really enjoyed talking to you. You do an awesome job, and hopefully looking forward to talk to you again and provide more detailed information to our partners and customers so that we can continue to help them. Thank you so much.
And thanks to everyone for watching. If you've got some good takeaways from today's session, do give us a quick mention on social and subscribe to our channel for more industry news and insights. I'm Rob Scott from UC Today. Thanks for watching.